guys. Pangalawang kuha natin guys. Kumakuha natin ito guys. So, alright. Ito na. Oh mama. It's you the one. Oh, ito na. Tama mama. Oop. Alright. Oop. Tama mama. Doon asim to Papa J mama. Alright. Ayun na guys ha. May dalawa na tayo guys. Good morning naman sa inyo lagay guys. Kaumpisa na natin guys. Ayan o. Ayan ang isa guys o. Ayan guys kasi very big the wave guys. At least aerotic catching. Kaumpisa na natin guys. Guys o. Medyo mabagal yung ano natin guys. Ang kagat. Tsaka nasa big size. The wave guys. The wave is big. Lang guys, may apat na tayo. Ayan, tatlo, apat. Ayan, apat na yan guys. Okay na yan. Tapos mayroon wala. Sige lang, putin natin. At guys, panglima na yung kumakuha natin guys. Oh. Ayun. Tama mama. Oh, malaki-laki ito. Ganun sizes guys. Larias lang. The same sizes oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least we have 5 already. Pagkis natin guys. Okay so starting na sila guys. Yung high tide na guys eh. Ayun. Yeah. Come on. Same sizes guys. Same sizes. See how many pieces already? 5, 6. Okay na enough guys. Yes natin guys. We're still big. The same sizes. That's better yesterday's big size, but it's okay. How many pieces already? 7. Not bad yan guys. Taga lang tayo guys. Fish yan lang guys. Alright, continuous natin guys. Ba't yan, may kumagat guys. Come on mama. Okay so. Medyo malaki lagi. Kunti guys. Oh, it's big size. Alright. Going big. May gusto ba? Going big na guys ha. Please laba pa dyan eh. Saan tayo guys? Sana. Ay, medyo malaki-laki na guys. Malaki na. Alright. Not bad yan guys. Ano guys yung uli natin guys? Mukhang bagay hindi naman ulan guys. Continuous natin guys. Alright, Mr. P. Alam ko ngayon. Kaya medyo nagkapagkal ko mas mag-fishing. Guys, continuous naman guys. Yan na. Malaki-laki ito guys. Ay. Oh mama. Yan guys. Yan, medyo okay na itong sizes dito guys. Banta. Ayan na slaw. Na. Pagkita siya naman. Papachiri. Tatlo agad tayo guys. Pag nakuha natin dito. Oh mama. Guys, oh. See that? Come on, mama. Yan. Very fast, guys. Already 3. See? nasa ano na, outside. This one is a good size, I think. Malakas nga guys. Mama. Sa another one guys, I'm losing. Kaya at least another one following up. Ayun, laki guys. Size. Oop. Come on, mama. Ayan. Big size guys. Yeah. We have a two good size already guys. See? Okay guys. Alright. This natin guys. In this one hard to one. This one's big. Oh, very big guys. See? Oh, come on. This one big. Oop. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Wing big guy, boy big. Huh? Not bad guys. Right. Yun lang. Okay, so. Kabila. Kunti. Mama. Si mama. Bang malaki. Ito na. May laban talaga dito. Laki. 20 guys. Malaki ah. At least nakaisa tayo dito guys. Ayun oh. Ayan na naman. So okay lang guys. Umaga pa naman. Biting. This place guys is good for fishing. And the Maputi, this place is big size. Not different another side. Yeah guys. Okay. Ayun, see, silyo guys. See. Right, this is big size guys. Honest to goodness to you. See? Bigger to my cellphone again guys. Alright. Ayun. Kahit lang kami guys, but sinasan tayo guys. Nice guys oh. Sit down na lang guys kasi napagod na ako guys eh. Oh mama. Ayun oh. Ayun, malalaki guys oh. Oh, laki. Uy. Ay! Puta na. Ayos guys oh. Sit down ko lang. At least kumakagat. Alright guys, this is it. Ito naman ang huli natin ngayon guys sa araw na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Not bad guys already. At least meron tayo guys. Kung nag-stambay lang tayo guys, sakit pa sa ulo, headache, and go to hospital, but you go to in the bedside, fishing, catching this one. Alright? Okay, tomorrow, continues, maybe tomorrow, continues again guys. Alright, thank you for watching guys. God bless you guys. I love you guys. And I love you, Mama in the beach side and Mama in the land. See you soon, guys. At least, maybe I take a video tonight, guys. Care Duina's team. Okay? Shout out to Mr. Dinas. I met this morning, guys. Alright.